This is an updated lecture about web hosting. After publishing this course, I got a mail from another web hosting provider company, and they told me that they will provide web hosting to the student of my this course for only $3.95 per month, which make it around $47 per 1 year web hosting. So I checked their web hosting services and I found them like an alternative of Bluehost with a little more discounted prices. They provided me a special discounted coupon link, and I will add that link in the resources of this lecture. So by clicking on that link, you will go to their website as a student of this course and you will get a 60% discount, which makes it around $3.95 per month. Now I will quickly teach you how to take web hosting from their website, and also I will teach you how to install WordPress, creating business emails, and installing SSL certificate with this web hosting. So first of all, click on the link in the resources of this lecture or simply search in your browser quickdropservicing.com/fc, and this link will redirect you to their website. If you go to their website directly, then you will not get the discount. So remember to use the link in the resources or simply write in your browser quickdropservicing.com/fc and then press enter. So this is the Fastcomet web hosting provider website. If we scroll down here, so here you will see shared hosting and dedicated server hosting. So you will click on the Start Now button for the share web hosting. So click on Start Now. Now here you will see three different plans: Fastcloud Basic Plan, Fastcloud Plus, and Fastcloud Extra. And each of these plans have different features. For example, if we scroll down a little, and if I hover over here, so here you can see that it provides you cPanel and Softaculous app installer, pre-website transfer, unlimited FTP accounts, unlimited databases, unlimited subdomains, and multiple PHP versions. And also it provides you pre-drag and drop site builder, unlimited email accounts, one-click WordPress install, and 24/7 human support. So you will also get all of these features with the Plus plan, but you will get some advanced features. For example, 2x CPU and RAM, unlimited add-on domains, one-click restore manager, pre-global sign SSL, and pre-dynamic SSL. And the main good feature of this Plus plan is that you can host multiple websites with this single web hosting account. For example, if you want to start blogging, or if you want to create an e-commerce website to sell physical products, or if you want to create multiple drop servicing websites, so you can host all your website with this single web hosting account. You will not need to buy another web hosting account for your other websites, but with the basic plan, you can host only a single website. So if your plan is to create multiple websites, or if you want to start blogging or e-commerce, then the Fastcloud Plus plan will be good for you. And if you scroll down here, so here you can see that with the Fastcloud Plus plan, you will get 25 GB SSD space, and with the basic plan you will get 15 GB SSD space. Now 15 GB and 25 GB SSD space is more than enough, because the drop servicing website that we will be creating in this course will take a maximum of 300 or 200 MB. So with a 25 GB SSD space, you can host more than 20 blogs or 20 websites. One more thing you have to note here, that they provide you SSD space. If a web hosting provider company is providing you SSD space, then the speed of your website will be very high. Some web hosting provider company provide HDD space, and that will lower down the speed and performance of your website. Your website will take longer to load. So this is also a good feature in this web hosting provider. Now it depends on your need. If you think the Fastcloud Basic plan is good for you, then take the Fastcloud Basic plan, or if you think that the Fastcloud Plus plan is good for you, then take the Fastcloud Plus plan. So for demonstration, we will take the Fastcloud Basic plan. So I will click on the Get Started button. Now here the first thing you need to do is to register a domain name for your website. So for demonstration, I will write here something like zishanservices.com. And if you click on the drop down, so here you will see a lot of TLDs, like .click is for $4.99 per year, .live is for $9.95 per year. So you can choose your desired TLD from here, but I like the .com TLD, so I will click on .com, and then I will click on use this domain. So you can see this domain name is available. Now we will scroll down a little, and here we will provide the account information. For example, you will write here your first name, last name, and then you will write here your email address and master password. But you must remember this email and master password, because this will be your login credentials. So then select your country, state, region, zip code, city, address, phone number, and company field is optional. Then scroll down, and here the hosting plan is already selected, and also the data center location will be selected for you. Now the good thing about this web hosting provider company is that they have data center locations in different countries. If you click on the drop down, so you can see that they have data center location in different countries, and this is the reason that the speed of your website will be high. So the data center location will be selected for you already. Now the next thing is the period, which is very important, because if you click on the drop down, so you can see that you can select a 1 month period, 12 months, 24 months, and 36 months period for your web hosting. But the problem is, if you select 1 month period, then you will get the discount only for the first month. For example, if I click on 1 month, so for the first month you will get the web hosting for $3.95, but after that you will pay the regular price for the next month, which is $9.95, and that make it then around $120 per year for this web hosting. So make sure to select at least 12 months or 24 months, because if you select a longer period, you get the discount for a longer period. But if you select 1 month period, then you get the discount for only the first month, and for the second month then you will pay the regular price. So let's say for demonstration I will select 12 months, and then we will scroll down. So the domain registration per year is $9.95, and if you need the domain privacy, so you can leave this option checked, but if you don't need it, then uncheck this option. Now we will scroll down, and here you will provide your payment information. You can use American Express, any Visa card, any MasterCard, or Discover card. Simply you will write here your card number, expiry month and year, and then the CVV code. Or if you want to pay with PayPal, then you will click on the PayPal tab and you can pay through your PayPal account. Now if you scroll down, so here you can see the subtotal was $129.35, in which we get a $72 discount, and now the total is only $57, in which $47 is for the web hosting and around $10 is for the domain registration. So for $57 you will get web hosting and domain registration for 1 year. Then you will check both these options, and then you will click on the complete order button. After clicking on the complete order button, your order will be successful and you will receive an email on the email address that you provided. Now the next thing is you will type here my.fastcomet.com and press enter. Now here you will provide the email address and the master password. If we go back, so the email address and the master password that you provided here, you will write that here in the email address and in the password field, and then you will click on the login button. So after clicking on the login button, you will be logged into your Fastcomet client area, and from here you can access your control panel. So this is your Fastcomet client area, and to access your control panel, scroll down a little, and here you will see this control panel icon. Just click on this, and then you will be asked to enter your master password. So enter your master password here and then click on the proceed button. So this is your control panel, and here the first thing you need to do is to check if the SSL certificate is installed on your domain name or not. And to check that, here on the right side you will see your domain name, and next to it you will see this lock icon. Also you will see here something like DV certificate. If you cannot see here something like DV certificate or a lock icon here, then that's mean that the SSL certificate is not installed on your domain name, and this will happen sometime. In most cases, the SSL certificate will be already installed on your domain name automatically. But if you cannot see the icon here, then you will do it manually. And doing it manually is very easy. Just search here in the search bar, let's encrypt SSL. So if I write here, let's, so you can see here this option, let's encrypt SSL. So click on this, and on the next page you will scroll down a little, and here you will see issue a new certificate option, and below here you will see your domain name.com, and in front of that you will see this issue button. So click on issue, and then again on the next page click on the issue button, and the SSL certificate will be installed on your domain name. Now the next thing we need to do is to install WordPress. So for installing WordPress, we will go back to our control panel, and here in the search bar we will search for Softaculous app installer. So this is the Softaculous app installer. Just click on this, and this will open in a new tab. So here you can see WordPress. Just hover over on this and click on the install button. Now here the first thing you need to do is to make sure that the latest version of the WordPress is selected. You will click on the drop down, and here you can see 5.7, the latest version is selected, and then make sure to select HTTPS from here. Just click on the drop down and select HTTPS. Then the next thing is here in the directory field, if you see here WP, just remove that and make sure to make this field blank. Then scroll down, and here you can write a site name and a site description, but you can also change this from your WordPress dashboard, so I will leave it as it is. And then write here a username and password for your WordPress. So sometime you will see by default the username admin, so if you see that, remove that and write your username here. So I will write here, and then in the password remove the default password and write here your password, and also make sure to change the default email from here and write here your personal email. Then scroll down and click on the install button. So it will take a few seconds to install WordPress. So you can see WordPress is successfully installed. Now here you will see two links. The first link is to visit your website, and the second link is to go to your WordPress dashboard. As you can see here, .com/wp-admin. So you can also access your WordPress dashboard just by writing your domain name in the browser. Your domain name.com/wp-admin, and then press enter, and you will be prompted to this WordPress login page. Then write here your username and password that you provided during WordPress installation, and then click on the login button. So this is our WordPress dashboard, and from here we can start designing our website. Now one thing is remaining, that how can we create business emails with Fastcomet. So we will go back to our control panel, and here in the search bar you will search for email accounts. So here you can see the email account option. Just click on this and then click on the create button, and then provide a username like admin@yourwebsite.com or info or support@yourwebsitename.com, or you can write your name at yourwebsitename.com, and then select the radio button to set a password, and then remove the default password and write here your password, and then scroll down and provide a storage space here like 300 MB or 500 MB, and then click on the create button. So your business email will be created. Now to log into your business email, you will search in your browser your domain name.com. So for example, I will write here something like zishanservices.com and then /webmail. And then by pressing enter, you will be prompted to this webmail login page. And here you will enter the email address that you just created and then enter the password which you set for this email. And then click on the login button. And on the next page, you will see two webmails, Roundcube and Hardy. So you can use any of these webmails. I'm using Roundcube. So if you like any of them, you can set them as your default. So just click on any of them and you will be logged into your business email account from where you can send and receive emails. So this was how to take web hosting, installing WordPress, installing SSL certificate, and creating business email.